baby, don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. So welcome to my channel if you are new, and so welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. That is my daughter just shutting the door. I would edit that out, but no, such is life. I am a mother and my children do what they want to do, and I'm not gonna act like it doesn't happen often. So yeah, that is that. So today's video, I am welcoming you guys into 2023 with a loc tour. I noticed that a lot of people really love when I show a close-up of my locks and let them see like the progression of my locks. And you know, I want to give you guys what you want, so I'm going to show you the first official loc tour of 2023. As you guys know, if you've been following my journey, I self-maintained and self-started my Microlocs, and I started them with 2-strand twists. I will be officially 3 years locked in April, and I'm really excited about my locks because, like, look at this length. I don't know if it's showing up on camera as good as it is when I look in the mirror, but look at it. Like, look at that length. I love it. So yeah, I maintain my own locks through interlocking, and I started them with 2-strand twists, and this is how they are looking so far. So if you are thinking about doing your own Microlocs or getting them done with 2-strand twists, this will give you some type of idea of what your locks could look like around the 3-year mark. And just for reference, I have 309 locks. So if you guys are interested in my loc tour, stick around and check it out. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, Celebrate, don't wanna say you like I don't buy it with a cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but in a diamond. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Bend that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All about my racks, hella cheese. I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Get you on the act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. Juicy and it's tighter than a virgin, like McDonald's say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the threesome, and sometimes you won't. You told me don't with no is you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor. I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions pertaining to my locks, be sure to leave them down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.